welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you have never seen this face before, well, my name is Kavita Shah और इस चैनल पे हम बहुत सारी एविएशन रिलेटेड वीडियोस आगे लाने वाले हैं. सो इफ़ यू थिंक कि आपको या किसी आपके फ्रेंड को इस चैनल से कोई हेल्प मिल सकती है, देन प्लीज़ 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 टेल देम टू like and subscribe to this channel. And I have a lot of contents planned up for you guys, so please support. So today I have a big news for all of you. Like, it's very big for me, I don't know about you, so it's a very good and big news for me. So we are going to talk about it in detail, so I'll come straight to the point. So as you all know, last video mein I went for a Vistara interview which was held in Kolkata. It was 6 months back and I was rejected in the second round, so I was put on a cooling period for 6 months. उसके बाद then I again tried for Vistara in Mumbai and I got selected. I got selected in all the rounds. So I'm done with all the 4 rounds of Vistara and I'm also done with the medical rounds जब तक ये video will go on YouTube. So it's a long story short, but I would like to explain in detail so that it can help you. I will discuss all the questions that were asked, what were the procedures, and I would let you know everything. So just stay tuned. जैसे हमने last video में बात की थी, there are 4 rounds in Vistara. First you have BMI, second you have HR round, then you have the PI, and then the last round is documentation. So if you complete all those rounds, then again you have a medical round which will be held, I think, within a week or so, something like that. They'll give you a detail, they will give you detailed mail, and उसमें आपका date वगैरह mention होगा. तो it is all that. Then after that you have all the procedures for training and all of that. So we'll not go into that because मैं भी गई नहीं हूँ अभी तक वहाँ तक, तो मैं आपको ऐसा false information नहीं देना चाहती हूँ. So this time the BMI round was a little different from Kolkata. Like, जब मैं कोलकाता में गई थी, they were just checking my height and weight and the scars on my face and all of that. But here they were calling 5 people एक साथ में, and जिसका BMI चल रहा है, like the person who is giving his or her, like obviously her height and weight जो दे रहा था, उसके अलावा जो बाकी 4 थे, they were asked to introduce yourself. So first round in itself, उसमें भी आपको पूछा जा रहा था they were like checking your communication skills, how fluent you are in English. तो ऐसा ये वाला चीज़ मेरा कोलकाता में नहीं हुआ था, that's why I didn't tell you guys. But it did happen in Mumbai and I was like, okay, it's fine. Like, ऐसा कोई था नहीं, like I've never heard of going, like, giving your introduction in the first round itself. So it was kind of, it did take me aback, but it was okay. Like, it was not that hard. You just had to introduce yourself, and maybe if they want to check furthermore, वो पूछ सकते हैं आपको why Vistara, why cabin crew. That's it. They won't, like, you'll have to speak for more than, I think, not more than 30 or 40 seconds. So it's easy. So I successfully cleared my BMI. मेरा height weight was in their margin, जितना उनको चाहिए था. Then they sent me. So I cleared my BMI. Then I was sent for the HR round. HR round was also a little different from Kolkata, I would say, because उस time में भी the recruiter was not cross questioning. In Kolkata it was like, you can check that video, but here they were very like particular about cross questioning. Like, अगर उनका खुद का question नहीं होगा ना, first they'll ask you to introduce yourself. Again you have to give a brief introduction about yourself, your qualification, your education, where are you from, what are you doing currently, all of that you have to include, plus your skills and what are the roles that you know about cabin crew and what are the skills that you have. तो आपको अच्छा cabin crew माना जाएगा according to Vistara. So you have to incorporate everything. So in this round, the second round, there will be one recruiter और 5 लोग उनके सामने बैठे होंगे. Although he'll be calling you in a group, he'll be asking you separately only. So उन्होंने एक एक करके पूछा. मेरा नंबर I think 4th था, तो उन्होंने सबको पूछा. They were cross questioning a lot, like, tell me about yourself. तो was a common question they were asking everyone that. उसके बाद में they were very cross questioning and all of that. तो मेरा जो question था, they first told me to introduce myself, and then they said, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So I answered that and he was very impressed. I also kind of highlighted what all skills I have and what are the things that I want to do in 5 years of span, और मेरे को इसी airline में रहना and all of that I said. So they were cross questioning on that. तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक आई थिंक more than 2 to 3 minutes I was answering the questions and all, and he was kind of impressed. Then from 5 people they selected 3 people in the second round, including me. Then we had our PI के लिए हमें अकेले ही जाना था, like we have to go one by one in the room. There was a ma'am, like the recruiter was a female, so she was not that strict. She would just told us to introduce yourself, tell me something about yourself. उतना ही उन्होंने हमसे पूछा, एंड मेरे को उन्होंने CV से पूछा था, तो शी वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड. सो शी सेड कि ओके कविता, go for the 4th round, complete your documentation and you're selected. So I was very happy, like I could not believe myself कि I finally cleared, because in first when पहली बार जब मैं विस्तारा के लिए गई थी, I got rejected in the second round itself. So I came with very least expectations कि मैं इस बार भी select होंगी. So after I cleared my 3rd round, it was the time for 4th round. तो 4th round में हमारा documentation था. We were given a mail जिसमें हमारा सारा documents ओके तो हमें एक इनविटेशन मेल आता है ना, उसमें वी गेट ऑल ऑफ द डिटेल्स, सारा कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो हमें लेके आना होता है जब हम जा रहे होंगे इंटरव्यूज़ देने के लिए. तो आई ब्रॉट ऑल ऑफ दोज, सारा जेरोक्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट आई ब्रॉट. एंड इट टुक सम टाइम, लाइक 4th राउंड तो काफ़ी बड़ा था बिकॉज देयर वर सम टेक्निकल इश्यूज़ गोइंग ऑन. तो अल्टीमेटली हो गया था, एंड लाइक आई वॉज डन विथ माई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन राउंड. एंड मैम सेड, like she congratulated, like congratulations for getting selected and I'll see you soon and all of that. So I was really happy. So the conclusion of this video is, don't be scared. It's nothing to be worried about. It's nothing. It's very easy. If I did it, you can do it too. Don't lose hope. Just be confident, speak loudly, speak clearly. आप धीरे भी बात करोगे, like धीरे स्पीड में बात करोगे, it's fine. Just your words should be clear. आप क्या बोल रहे हो सामने वाले को समझ आना चाहिए. एंड लाइक थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर कर लो, लाइक गूगल में भी आप मार लोगे तो द बेसिक क्वेश्चन दैट दे वर आस्किंग, इट्स ऑल इन गूगल. सो आपको ऐसा कोई वीडियो और बहुत सारा कुछ पैसे वैसे दे के प्रिपरेशन करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू कैन जस्ट Google your questions. You can also get sample answers. I can also reply in the comments if you guys have any questions, and I can give you the sample answers if you want. So I hope you are going for the interviews and you crack it, and I'm always rooting for you. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Okay, so मैं ये पार्ट बाद में रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ बिकॉज बिल्कुल भूल गई थी मैं. आई एम सो सॉरी. मैंने मेकअप भी निकाल लिया है, इट्स फाइन. So when I went for the interview, there were some candidates who recognized me from my videos. Like they said that we have seen you on YouTube and are you a YouTuber? So I just wanted to give you all a shout out. Like you guys are just amazing. Like that is one of the sweetest thing I've heard. Like I've just uploaded one video and you guys were able to recognize me from that single video. It means a lot to me. So I just wanted to take a moment and thank you all. You guys are precious. Bye bye.